Good morning. It is 6:30 a.m. on June 24th, and we're just going to do a little walkthrough on the garden. We've got some fall blooming flowers planted over there, salvias and hairy balls and dahlias. And then we come to what we're doing now. Lots of beautiful sunflowers. This is the morning of harvest. Really the only time we can get good photos because the garden's full of beautiful flowers. Coxcomb coming on. Zinnias are just gorgeous. Lemon basil, which we use in our bouquets. More zinnias. Beautiful Sunday orange plumes. Here's my favorite zinnias. I love orange and salmon. And so these are beds we're planting now. We're still starting seeds. This is what will help us the end of summer. And then, oh my goodness, I actually see Lisianthus blooms. That's dill. Our Lisianthus beds, you see those white blooms? Oh my goodness. These will be in high season in July. And our sweet peas are still going. I cut those clean yesterday. And they'll be blooming. The winter rye is cut down, and this will be where a planting will go in just a couple weeks. And then cool flowers are still going on. Our carrot here got a little pounded to the ground with some rain, but we still have Scabiosus and the Rudbeckia Indian Summer and Prairie Sun are still going. And our strawberries are pretty much done. We just haven't gotten rid of them yet. You can't see it. There's beautiful yellow Scabiosus, our yarrow. The snaps are still coming along a little bit. And then there's some Salvia leucanthia. So that's what's going on here at the Gardener's Workshop Farm. In June, we're a little behind in our season, but we're catching up pretty quick. So here you go. Have a good one.